There's something new in the world of mobile communications. It won't play games, take pictures, or play MP3s. What it will do is work everywhere. Introducing the Iridium 9555. Trusted, rugged, global mobile communication in a sleek new portable handset. From distant rigs to pitching decks, baking deserts to frozen ice packs, the Iridium 9555 simply works everywhere. Period. It's every bit as rugged as our previous phones. Small enough to carry, tough enough to stand up to heavy use, big enough to dial in harsh conditions. And it connects you to the only truly global mobile communications network. So wherever on the planet you need to be, you can count on your Iridium 9555. The Iridium 9555. Simply put, it takes you anywhere to everywhere.